Hello everyone and welcome back to the Luca Espresso Repair. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni Eurobar espresso machine. Now this machine, I did a bit of work. I had to replace the water pump, this one that you see right here. This one is the original water pump from 2004. So this machine is from 2004. It's a 20-year-old machine. They don't make them like they used to, and it's still looking beautiful. Right now it's on steamer mode. While it's on steam and at full pressure, sometimes the little motion valve starts dripping just a little bit, but the machine is up to full pressure, able to steam milk properly. And of course, able to brew as well. So for this machine, we had to replace the power switch, this one that you see right here. Unfortunately, the older power switch completely burned, and we had to replace that. We also had to replace some of the thermostats, this one that you see right here. Some of the connections were already burned. A lot of the wiring had to be replaced of the machine. As you see right here, brand new wiring, brand new connections, brand new pump as well. Just for safety, let me just unplug and show you the insides as well. And then we're gonna pull a shot of espresso. I'm not using the water tank right now because I don't want to get it dirty. I already clean it and dry it, so I'm using my reservoir on the outside. Also replace the hoses. This one that you see right here, these are brand new. And let me get the cover out of the machine. There you go. Install this insulation, this hose that you see right here from the I was able to recycle the older hose and use it for insulation on this wire, so that way this wire doesn't touch any of the electronic parts or anything of any of the hot areas of the machine and will not melt. I also replaced, you can see a lot of the new wiring, new connections all over the entire board. The pressures, the thermostats, the safety thermostat, and the temperature switches are right there. The brand new switch is installed right here at the bottom, and the new connections are all right there as well. Like I say, the whole wiring harness got replaced. Some of these wires were in bad shape. The ones that burned completely had to be completely replaced. The whole thing had to be replaced. So yes, now it's looking great. That's the new pump as well. You can see the nice and shiny part of the on the back, and yeah, everything looking amazing. So let's just do a shot of espresso. I put this back the way it was. That way it stays in the right spot. Good. And now let's get a cup so we can do that espresso shot. Okay, and now with our portafilter prepared and our glasses here, we can pull that beautiful shot of espresso. I'm using our Eureka Mignon grinder. So hopefully that is calibrated for my heat exchanger machine. So hopefully we get to see a nice shot of espresso from this one. Okay, the machine is struggling just a little bit. Like I said, my grind is calibrated for a much more sturdier machine. It's a heat exchanger. This one is a single boiler. Even though it's calibrated for that, we can see that the machine is definitely keeping up. pulling that shot on one side as it kind of channel in, and we don't see any kind of leaks coming out from the group head or anywhere of the machine. As the shot channels through the basket, we get to have a much more flow, faster flow, and we can stop it right there. That's about the quantity of 2 shots of espresso, which is what I put in there. The reason sometimes the water flows into one side more than the other, it could be because, well, my table is been outside, it's been raining, so it's a little bit not level, so that could actually have a big factor in there. But also the flow of the coffee, if for some reason it's slow, just like we saw, is going to channel through one of the 2 spouts. As the flow increases, you saw that the flow is starting to increase in one and the other one as well, as the water tension just broke, and then you have flow going through both the spouts. Otherwise, you have into one. So yeah, it's just a flow issue of how the shot was prepared. And like I say, we were using a very fine grind, not designed for this machine. Even though the grind was not designed for this machine, we have a nice shot of espresso. We had no leaks coming out from the group head or anything, and the machine is able to do both hot water like so, and espresso like that. Now that the portafilter is channeled through, you can see that is flowing through both the spouts. So there you have it, La Pavoni working once again and ready to brew great coffee. Thank you so much for repairing with the Luca Espresso Repair. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.